Niggas act tough, but that shit really just for an image. My niggas, they really on go. Ain't no capping my rhymes when I say that my nigga got switches. My dog, he be ready to blow. I'm prepared for the blizzard, it's heat in my Montclair coat. Bitch, I make you get on the floor. Know if I have to go whack me a nigga, this shit confidential, not getting exposed. We don't play by the rules, cause we making our own. If she KHS stamp, then you know she on go. Talk up and cold with my uncle on the phone. I want you to run up, I'm clutching, I'm throw. I love the codeine, I might relapse on drink. Jug around the city, we making some bank. Oscar the Grouch, I'm a Leo at Stain. We post up like Giannis, go hard in the paint. I'ma bait them, then up with the pole, I'm a fisherman. Jackson, they wishing it on me like Mini Man. My sister against the toe, I ain't in the finny fit. I know that they lying, they ain't slide, they ain't killing shit. We taking a trip on the plane, we coming back, bitch, you can get the whole thing. It's only my niggas ain't joining your gang, niggas get in the gym and be making them claims. We sending smoke everywhere like we polluting. Breaching your city, you know we intruding. I know she was lying, that bitch thought I was foolish. We stepping in silence and leaving them clueless. Rest in peace of John Madden, I'm sending the blitz, I was coolin'. Tape on the way, they couldn't wait till I do it. Niggas wait till you turning your back just to shoot. Had to cut that hoe off cause she clingy and useless. Niggas act tough, but that shit really just for an image. My niggas, they really on go. Ain't no capping my rhymes when I say that my nigga got switches. My dog, he be ready to blow. I'm prepared for the blizzard, it's heat in my Montclair coat. Bitch, I make you get on the floor. Know if I have to go whack me a nigga, this shit confidential, not getting exposed. We don't play by the rules cause we making our own. If she KHS stamp, then you know she on go.